Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VDRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated here a little bit. And before anything else, just note that there is perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 11.5 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things, then the chart is still perfectly fine. Sure, there was a pullback, but pullbacks are part of the game. Pullbacks happen, as nice as it would be. No stock can go straight up every single day. And, from the big picture perspective, as I'm going to show, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and that's how long-term trends are built, by putting in higher bases as time goes by. And the key really way to illustrate that, there's a couple, is, just right here at 4 cents. I talked about this in yesterday's video, so for those of you that watched that, hopefully you remember. And heck, today, technically speaking, the price didn't even test it. It got relatively close right around this portion of the day, but still never even went down there and tested 4 cents. So the price is still well above this area of support. But from an even bigger picture perspective, as I talked about yesterday, it's all about this purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And like I talked about in yesterday's video, again, big picture perspective, I keep harping on that because, like I said, if I could sound crazy right now, and if I do, my guess would be that's because you had a different strategy, different perspective going in. But from big picture perspective, as long as the price is above this line, that'll keep on moving upwards like this. If you picture that as a trend line, and that's why I like moving averages, I kind of call them trend lines for lazy people, because that quote-unquote trend line is going to draw us out for you. But as long as the price is above that trend line, then that means the price is uptrending, and that's what long-term bullish moves do, right? They make higher lows as time goes by. So yeah, today we pulled back, but bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build higher bases, whether that's at 4 cents or just simply staying above the purple line. So the trend is still intact for the bulls. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still 5 cents key level of resistance. I would agree if you said that it got weakened up today, because yeah, the price did get up above it, but the price could not maintain above it. Therefore, 5 cents is still that area of resistance. So not the best day in terms of just a day, but when you look at multiple days, bulls still have a chance to build on the uptrend. So we'll see if they can do that or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.